The second bird is my connection with Mother Nature and how I can really deepen my feelings towards her and my spiritual and mental connection with Mother Nature and bring that space to you. I feel that humanity has really disconnected itself with Mother Nature. The hustle and bustle of the modern lifestyle has disconnected so much of humanity from Mother Nature, and Mother Nature is the gift that is the environment that gives you life. And if I can reconnect, my girlfriend is walking the path and I just saw a message from her which is, "I love you, Anthony." Which is amazing, especially since what it is that I'm trying to convey is love for self, love for Mother Nature, and love for you, the other people in my audience that are seeking out this love and care, which is two birds with a stone.